Now, ABC 17 storm track meteorologist Kevin Schneider has been tracking that storm overnight, and he joins us right now. And Kevin, since that storm is moving so slow, the rain is going to be a major concern.
Yeah, the rain was always going to be the biggest problem that we're tracking with Sally, but it looks like things may be going from bad to worse in some spots. Here's the latest look from Hurricane Sally, and notice something here. That clock's still running. That's telling us we're not receiving data from Mobile, Alabama. That's the radar site where this is possibly lost either some sort of service or, unfortunately, could have been taken offline by Hurricane Sally. So, of course, our thoughts still with those folks riding this out along the Gulf Coast. But again, those winds have certainly intensified over the last 12 hours. Overnight, we're up to 105 sustained mile-an-hour winds here into portions of the Gulf Coast, right along southern Alabama, western Florida here as this continues to push onshore. Again, those winds not necessarily the biggest problem, but it could be just enough, like you saw there, flipping over semis, again, knocking over some boats here that are still into places like Mobile Bay. So again, we're going to be tracking a lot of problems, but the biggest one of this, again, is still that water. Not only that storm surge that's getting pushed onshore as we speak, but some of that rain, again, adding up in some tremendous amounts, almost 20 inches of rain down in Gulf Shores over the last 24 hours, which is just unfathomable here for us here into mid-Missouri. Here's the latest look at future track, though. Again, going to be dealing with this heavy rain. The bullseye, though, is going to be switching off towards southeastern Alabama as we get later and later into today. But again, still not out of the woods. This is likely going to be a historic flooding event. They've got flash flood emergencies lit up all over Alabama and Florida. And that, of course, is the last bullet that the National Weather Service has. So again, thoughts and prayers going out with those folks riding this out this morning down on the Gulf Coast.